Tesalito and no man's land, bro.
Pretty much.
Yeah, we get. I mean, bro,
Once
based
we
on
get
how it
down,
plays, I mean how it moves, we can probably find something on that today. Can you explain?
my actual levels on that George aren't till 418, maybe 415. 410 is obviously like the key level we're waiting for.
Yeah, 410 was crazy.
Someone said why sell into 138. There's a 4 hour. I wrote it in trade ideas, guys. That was the only thing I wrote. But there's a trend at the 4 hour. Bigger time frame trends are more important. So I'd rather sell into it. Usually I wouldn't even play it beforehand, but based on how it's moving, I'm okay with it. Especially here pre-market, I like how strong it is. If I can end up getting a red to green on this into 137, I probably will signal it.
See that 1 minute trend?
1 minute, yes. It was
Yeah.
pretty close. One sec.
No. They're just 1 minute trends, but sometimes they're annoying.
Yeah, 137.23. What's entry looking like? It's all based on how we move here off the open.
You right, Greg. You right.
We'll see. Yeah, did that door close?
I closed it, yeah.
Kevin, I'm assuming you're
sure?
sticking to meta.
You sure?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm probably just gonna patiently wait for Tesla 418 or 140 on Nvidia. I'm not really looking to rush any trades today.
Got you. Okay.
Good.
All right. I mean, do you guys have anything else other than NVIDIA here off the open? I mean, some of you aren't even
No.
playing it.
I think Kevin and Benji talked about meta at 585. I'm really not a fan of that. Just have a double bottom there from pre-market.
It's far.
I saw AVGO up about $8 pre-market. Sam, I'm not sure where it's at right now.
I saw that too. I didn't even look at it, honestly.
I know Netflix is up nicely this morning. Netflix doesn't really move pre-market, that's why.
I don't have anything on that till 929.
Okay.
You think Netflix does a split sometime in the future?
For sure. I think they would.
Bro, how many
Yeah.
times are they going to split, brother? Oh. Netflix has been splitting since before you guys have been, since before you guys started trading.
Wait,
I think
what'd you
Netflix
say?
is worth a couple, I think like maybe 5,000, 6,000. Let me see.
Honestly, didn't even know that till now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so
I
they've
thought this
had
whole
two
time we've
stock
been
splits,
trading it.
one in 2004 and one in 2015.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah. I was actually watching the market for the 2015 one. I remember when that happened.
Was it crazy?
Yeah. It wasn't really normal to do these types of splits. All right. All right, so 140s are too cheap, so I'm looking at the 138. Where's the market? Market's pushing.
Yo, meta. Jesus.
Yep.
$5 push off the open. Wow.
I'll probably signal NVIDIA here soon. I'm in. It just broke 137 straight through. hit the trend, guys. So remember, the trend is here. We got to be careful. I wanted to sell there, but I'm going to give it a sec. Should have probably sold.
I was gonna say I was up 10% there at the peak right there, but I'll probably look to sell here soon for like a 5% loss, just because I wasn't comfortable with this trade myself.
Me
So.
too. Market pulled back. Nvidia's holding up. Really trying to see if this can break through the 1 minute trend. If not, I'm going to get out, guys.
I just got out myself.
Yeah, that's how it is for Nvidia. It sucks, but it is what it is.
Oh, Meta went crazy.
Tesla is weak. It's coming down. It's about to fill the gap soon. So like $3 away though.
Where'd you see you like that, Kevin? 418?
418, yeah.
I was up like 14% on the video peak there.
Yeah, I was too. I took my L.
Yeah, I was nicely green, so
I sold half at the top of that, and then half when we came back below 137.
Yeah, I was
Okay.
planning on selling half right at that 30 break and then ended up fucking holding for a second there and it never broke through.
Yeah.
I was up around 1200 at the peak. Only lost like 300. So
Yeah. If I had a better entry, I probably would have held through.
you and I had the one I heard over the mic. I took the same entry as you right there, and then I added more when you signaled.
Damn, it's coming right back.
Yeah, bro. I was looking at the same thing as Nor, so that's funny. I'm personally not retrying this, so
Yeah, I don't think I'll retry it to 138. Maybe.
bro, those were my 2 buys. Then the last one, obviously, the sell. I got blessed on the sell though.
Frankie, ours was about the same.
You need to
On
close
the-
above 25 here, Nor.
Meta's right at 600 basically. That might be a move soon.
That's what I currently have pulled up. Not that I'm gonna trade it yet,
Just let us
but I
know.
do like the strength behind this a
Think it's
lot right
close.
now.
You see the 30-minute trend, Frankie?
On Meta,
Yeah,
I did not. Let me pull it up.
just
That's
trying to
on-
break that.
Oh yeah,
What's the 30 minute at? I gotta pull it up.
596 right now.
Yeah.
That's where it breaks, and that's what it's trying to hold above right now.
The videos is getting stuck by that 1 minute.
It does
Hold
still
at
look
the moment
pretty good.
while the market's pulling back.
Yeah, that's all I was gonna mention. Like I said, though, for me personally, I'm not gonna retry it.
Yeah, me neither.
Bro, I gotta use it.
I can't.
Alright, I got it then.
Alright.
You guys think Thursday and Friday will be slow? Probably, right?
I have no clue.
Alright, you guys.
Alright, peace. There is a way to play NVIDIA again at like 137.50. It would be the same concept into the 138.
Meta coming back down after that pop.
Like you would just be playing it above that trend, huh?
Yeah, I don't have anything on AMD, guys. Sorry.
Almost at AVGO. Yeah, it's going for that 230 break right now. I'm not interested at these levels myself, though.
That was 2 cents away there.
The high is 137.70, and then there's the 4-hour trend, which is right at what, 138? Right at it, or no?
10 cents, just right above.
Yeah. Okay. The high pre-market is, oh, it just broke. I might try it again just to scalp, guys, but we'll see.
Tesla making almost low of day here while market's pushing. I don't like these levels yet, but that's something to keep in mind.
SPY is the weak link. QQQ is a strong one.
Yeah, that would have been clean on Tesla.
Well,
Wow.
straight down.
That H. is
Look at
perfect.
QQQ. All right, so now I can definitely signal NVIDIA because how it's holding up against the market. If this holds up even more here, if not, then I'll switch over to Tesla.
Tesla's still pretty. I'm not sure where you like Tesla. Like I said, for me, it's not really till 418. I'm not sure if you like 420 yourself.
I'm about to signal NVIDIA soon, guys. Probably around the 70-cent level, as long as we can hold up here. Yeah, I'm looking at the 138 calls again, keeping it simple. Market had a bounce though. See what happens. It didn't fall with the market, so we'll see what happens. I'm in. Trying it again, just because how strong it is against the market, doing its own thing. Like I said, there's a 4-hour trend at 138. I want to be able to sell into that. I don't want to hold into it. Having wicks like that, though, I'm not sure how I'm going to hold through this. My stop is going to be before 137.
I'm looking at 137.10 probably to be my stop.
Yeah, damn near it. See if I can set an alert, if it'll be fast enough.
Gonna sell a third here above.
What, the high?
Yeah. Set an alert there.
That 4-hour trend is something I don't want to play with, so if we get rejected here, then I'm going to have to be out, sadly. Even though it's stronger, just can't take the chance here.
Tesla at 423 right now.
ES is dropping as well.
Yeah, whole market's dropping. I'm still in NVIDIA, guys, just waiting for the candle to close personally. I do that when there's strength, so I just do that just in case this wants to wick above, which it just did. But if this does come any lower here, I'm going to have to cut it. I'll let you guys know once I sell. I have my volume up, so you'll hear me sell.
there's a slight chance I like 421 the more I look at it. That's a flat bottom right there from pre-market guys on Tesla.
We're only
not gonna
11
signal
minutes
this.
in. Wow.
I'm not gonna signal this, but it's not looking bad. Yeah, bro, I would say that's the only issue, but that trend line lines up with the imprint it had from pre-market, so I don't really count that.
Yeah, the imprint is annoying.
So
Imprint, misprint, bro.
misprint.
The fuck? You just made me say that. Did you end up cutting that?
No, I'm still holding.
Okay.
But I don't like how now it's hesitating. Again, but you mentioned it was moving on its own, so
Yeah. Above 55, 57 area should get momentum. If it doesn't and we hesitate above 55, 57 again, I'm going to walk away from the trade and I'll be okay. I'll be like basically break even. Basically, because if QQQ ends up ripping here or ends up breaking out, which it looks strong enough to do so, even though it can reject here easily, it will take NVIDIA above 138 and then it'll be an easy sell above that. Just let me know if we touch 57 again, George. I think we got close right there.
Greg, either the 410s or the 400s are fine on Tesla. I think 410s are pretty safe. I don't think the 400s are bad because it's Monday. I like how well priced the 410s are though.
which 137 is gonna be a hard stop now, Nor, or not?
One sec. I think I am, yeah. Just giving it a sec here. Yeah, I'm getting rid of it.
That 4-hour trend mainly.
It's really the market though, like where we're at. It just makes it a lot harder to make have a clean breakout. But the stock is strong, like. Anything weak here?
Jeff, like I said, I'm maybe looking at 421. It lines up again. I'll mention it one more time. Lines up with the double bottom there. The only issue is the double bottom lines up with the misprint, and then that 1 minute trend that Brett was talking about, it also has a trend line with it along with the misprint. So I'm not sure how valid that really is. So, do I have anything on Tesla to the upside? Not well. There's a trend line on the 15 minute that lines up with that high. That doesn't look bad. Nor if you want to go to, I'm not sure if you're still in the video or not.
No, I got
Tesla. Look at Tesla on the 15 minute. That doesn't look bad.
What, the downside?
The upside.
Oh, the
It just
trend.
happens to
Yeah,
pick
yeah.
up strength. Yeah. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but I feel like with Tesla, a lot of it's just intraday setups at this point.
Wait, George, you heard me say I was out, right?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Was that like 137, guys?
yeah. You even sent the signal out.
Just making sure. Tesla bear flagging. Okay, QQQ finally dropping. This is why I got out of NVIDIA, even though it was strong. I didn't want an aggressive candle like that.
Here, Jason, I talked about it, but I didn't send it here. Here's the 15-minute chart that I was talking about.
All right, so now all I have here. I mean, I saw AMD guys. It's just there's nothing there. I'm sure Frankie or George would have said something too if they saw something. There was
Yeah.
122 technically, because of that flat top on the 1 hour, but it's hard with that stock, especially because that 1 minute trend was right there, so you have to be quick.
Yeah, I personally was looking at AMD. I liked it more to the downside than the upside.
Tesla's trying to hold up against the market.
Yeah, I looked a week before while you guys were in the trade, and now it's kind of lagging a bit as of now.
Where is everything at? All right, market's still bear flagging. How much time? We're only 18 minutes in. All right. Nothing's way ahead of the market. I mean, Tesla looks like the weakest, but it is holding up, so we'll see what happens.
Brev, I just don't like trading SMC at this point. That's why I probably ignored it.
Are
That's
Tesla
not-
contracts expensive again today? Probably, right?
The 410s were like $6 when I was looking at. Yeah, they're still $6. I think they're a lot better.
Yeah, they're still expensive, but that's
I'm sure when we
$14
get
away.
down to the level, it'll be expensive.
I mean, it depends. Like I said, it has to be ahead of the market for it to make sense for me to take that. Nvidia's cool. I mean, like, that trend is cool for the rest of the week. So if we can break that and open above or something like that into 140, that would be dope. We can catch a really big move on that. Market's still dropping here. Tesla hasn't even broken a low yet. So right now, I cannot justify a trade on Tesla as of yet. Has to be
Me
doing
neither.
something of its own nature here for me to be interested. SPY bounced and QQQ is trying to continue here. Where were you planning to trade this before, Frankie?
421. It just had a green to red
Yeah,
without the market.
without the market.
Like I said, the only issue with this level is that it lines up with a misprint. So. And we already reused 420 on Friday as well, so I'm not too positive about this trade yet.
Nvidia's still holding up. 137 almost again. I don't know if I could play that again.
So if you guys are looking at intraday setups like the way we are, this right here is important. Looking at NQ bounce right here and seeing what Tesla does along with that. Same thing with ES, right? Using both, but this is how you're able to identify intraday setups and if they're a lot better now or before.
If we have Tesla upside, we still have a play on that actually, so it's not bad at all.
Mm-hmm.
Just gotta be patient here. Nvidia slipped finally. Can't hold for that long. Meta could have caught a lot of people at that 600. Probably did.
Literally, I just looked at it again. Engulfed its whole candle right there.
Yeah, it was one full candle from 599 down to 594, 595.
Crazy.
So that's pretty bad. Nvidia about to break under 136. Yeah, Millie. Depends how we get there. If we have strength, right now, it's showing that they want to hold this up here. You have to remember how much this has fallen, and this was the hottest stock like 2 weeks ago. So, dip buying could be very real on this. So we'll see how that goes. Not saying it'll hold up. It can get weak at any point, like just like how it did at the end of the day on Friday. So just things to pay attention to from like a bigger standpoint than rather than just the intraday. Currently red for the day, so I'm not in a rush to take a trade. Tesla trying to break a new low or make a new high. Local high here. Market's pushing. What's the trend lining up at exactly? Like 432, 433? Let me see.
It was 433 earlier. Let me see now.
What's it on the 30 minute?
Still 433. Yeah.
What's it on?
432.90 if you want to be exact, but pretty much around that high at 433.
No, there was another trend though. What was it on? It was 5 minute or 15?
The 15-minute was the one
Oh
I'm
yeah, that's the
talking
15.
about.
15 minute one lines up kind of with the 1 minute.
Oh, okay. I see what you... Okay.
Yeah, Cody. It's definitely not weak, so but it's just nothing I could do when it pulls back like that. I have to just respect the market and see where it's at. Sometimes I can hold through, sometimes I can't, and I tried to hold my best through Nvidia. It's all right. It happens, especially after a crazy week last week. I can take that loss happily. Where are we on Tesla? 426. So if we get above 427, we could start seeing momentum. That's not where I'm going to take it at all, but we'll be able to see some strength there. Or weakness, let's see what it does. Amazon's trying to break out this 1 minute trend, which it's trying at this exact moment here.
Yeah, what does it be? I think it's consumer confidence, right?
You see
Wow.
Amazon, I don't play these on Amazon, but right here at 225.50, if this was like a Tesla, if this was Tesla, I would trade this.
I just can't trade Tesla or Amazon, so I can't look at it.
Yeah.
I don't even want to entertain the idea of me wanting to look at it. Yeah, it is consumer confidence, yeah.
All right, Tesla's touching 427 or getting there.
If we end up getting nothing else for the day, guys, too, it's not the biggest deal in the world. I thought that NVIDIA trade was good.
Yeah, especially the first one, just freaking wick. I just didn't sell in time.
Expected to be a slow week. Doesn't mean that nothing will happen, but expected to be slower, so no reason to rush anything.
Okay, wow, Nvidia's back above 137. Don't know if I can do anything with that yet. Let me see.
If that were to get ahead of the market,
yeah.
then maybe I would consider that more now with that 138 break. For the meantime, though, I'm not interested.
Yeah, it's at 138.04. That's the trend.
Yeah.
I just want to see if Tesla gets momentum above 427. Because that could change the whole day for Tesla. I might get some screen time here on Amazon at 225.50. I just want to see what happens there. Because it broke out the 1 minute trend and then that was right at 225. Tesla contracts, they
Hopefully
will
we-
probably be the 440s, most likely. 440s, 450s.
I mean, what level are you looking at?
Tesla? Okay,
Yeah.
so we got above 427. Tesla, I'm probably going to look around if we get ahead of the market, 430.
All right.
Which it's
We
starting
do
to
have
show.
news in 1 minute. so-
Excuse me? Yeah.
We have news in 1 minute.
Yeah. $30. See if this candle could close above. You see that 427?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Higher lows now if we can close above. So let's see what happens.
News here in 10 seconds, so hopefully we get some movement here in the market.
I don't want anything too crazy though.
No.
The video above 137.30 for a second there. Alright, you got 10 a.m. just hit. Let's see, market's falling. Let's see if Tesla can hold up here. It looks like it wants to go red to green. Remember, big candles in the market's going to affect your stock no matter what. So just keeping that in mind if you're trying to play something right now.
Oh, was that a misprint on Tesla or not?
I don't have anything. What happened?
That
Oh,
week all the way
wick
to
right there?
the last week, yeah.
Last
might
week,
be.
nothing
I don't
happened
have
on my
any.
screen.
It just wicked all the way down to 425.
For you guys?
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, that was valid. I was watching it. Yo, where's the news bot?
I moved it just so it's not cluttered with members. It's with the daily announcements
Oh,
right under the calendar.
Yeah, that's crazy. Those wicks right there is crazy. On
Well, on the
Nvidia.
425. Oh, Nvidia.
It looks just like Tesla though.
Oh
right
yeah.
there.
These are looking like penny stocks, bro.
it's alright, guys. No rush. No rush.
Yeah, it's not really that it's on some F stuff, Cobalt. It's just we just gotta be patient here.
I told
It
you
is
guys
what it
this on
is.
Saturday. This is gonna happen.
Yeah. You gotta remember
fine.
half day tomorrow.
Like we may
Off
have to
Wednesday.
wait.
I paid. I paid
Go
the-
ahead.
That's it. That's all I got.
Okay, Nvidia. This guy right here, bro.
I was gonna say, sometimes you may have to wait for like a good opportunity, hour into the market, 30 minutes into the market.
Yeah, especially when we robbed the market every single day last week. It's okay.
Yeah.
I gave back something today, so the market could be happy.
I guess for the meantime, though, I'll just have everything ready for Nvidia
Think so?
in case. I mean, on Tesla, it means $5.
Now
away,
you have
right?
a 1 minute trend that lines up with the 4 hour.
Yeah.
That's fun. How much is this up? A percent? 1.8%?
Never mind. Tesla told me otherwise.
Yeah, now Tesla can get ahead of the market to the downside with this aggressive candle. We'll see how it goes because where's NQ? NQ still has another 70 points. No, more than that. 90 points to the low.
Bro, Nvidia wicked again at that same level, George.
Yeah, that looks crazy, bro.
No, have you seen this?
Yeah, I'm watching.
That might be something worth watching. Not to the downside, but seeing how it keeps getting bought up there.
Another one.
Yeah, no, I think that's a misprint right there. That just popped out of nowhere.
It's crazy. It's just at a random number. 42 cents.
Yeah, 42, 40 cents, yeah. I'm gonna keep a close eye on the video just in case this decides to get ahead of the market.
It's starting to look weak now after that bounce on ES and NQ, Nor.
Yep. We just gotta sit the sidelines here and just wait.
That was a real misprint there.
On what?
Nvidia.
Was
Just
it?
seen
I
that.
see it on times and sales though, no?
Really? It's like instantly, and it's like hanging around 137, and it drops all the way to 140 to 40 cents.
I
That's
haven't
a
seen it on.
Yo, what's the
I haven't
volume? What's the volume on each candle right now?
around
Oh no,
4
they're
to 500.
yeah, that's kind of weird. The fuck is that?
All right, Norm, how do you plan on taking Tesla to the downside?
It's just annoying how I have to play this. It's the market though.
Yeah, I know, bro.
I might.
I like Nvidia just as much as Tesla right now, if I'm being honest.
Bro, all right, look, I'm gonna have the 410 puts ready for Tesla. If this starts slipping here, without the market, it could be quick. Then I'll play 421 into 420. So just keep an eye on Tesla. Nvidia, I still have room, so I can switch at any point back to Nvidia. I have time. See, Nvidia's showing divergence though.
That's what I like a lot about this.
Tesla can get ahead here. It just all depends on what happens on these next few candles. Okay, starting to slip here. Market is slipping. Are you going to take it at 410? I mean 421?
I don't know, man.
If we
I
can
just
get a
don't like
bounce.
that low right there lines up with a misprint. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
I'm personally still waiting for 418. I don't really want to take anything before that.
Now it's weaker.
Yeah. I'm in. I took a half position. I'm gonna add another half at 420, so that's how I'm gonna play it. Since we can't decide there because of the misprint. So half position was taken for me, which is very light. That's a 30K position. I'm gonna add a 420 if we can get there ahead of the market, which it looks like we're about to. 410 puts is what I played, guys.
It's showing the weakness here.
Yeah.
I added.
Beautiful.
If you
I
want to
probably
keep your
will
average,
look to
you
hold
can.
here, by the way. If we break aggressively.
Yeah, so if you guys don't want to add and keep your good average there, nothing wrong with that. I ended up adding because I had a light position. I'm looking for a
Misprint.
breakdown.
Tired of that fucking misprint bullshit.
My average was 715, guys. 715. Target is 418.31, which is the bottom of that trend. Depending on how we get there.
I'm nicely green here, by the way. I'm up 7% on this. I could sell, but I have a target on this with Nor. I will stop here soon, though, if this hits my stop.
Yep, me too.
For me, maybe around 422 for me. I'm not sure about you guys.
Probably gonna be around the same.
With this type of movement, you have to expect bounces like this on the stock. You can't size in and not expect a bounce. So that's why you have to size accordingly to the amount of bounce you're expecting.
Need the bid here, start getting pulled here.
The wicks make it a
Mhm.
lot harder to read this, by the way. Even from-
Exactly.
Yeah, I know. That's.
That's why I don't like. That's why they're pissing me off right now.
But you
That's
know
why I'm
what's you know what's nice about this? Mumu doesn't have those wicks.
That's a blessing, honestly, right there.
Yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks. For me, it's easier to read here. I'll send you guys a screenshot.
Getting close here, breaking
Yeah.
420, guys. 20 cents away currently. From
Oh, bro.
Big
Oh
broke.
my god.
Nice break. I still have a target with Nor, which is roughly around that 418 area. So
Like I said, guys, you guys can sell whenever. We got in at 421. For me, I do want to just try to hold here to target.
and Q just started breaking down as
Yeah.
well. Not sure what ES is doing right now.
It's trying to is right at a trend though. This can break. We got room here on ES as well.
SPY is at a bounce area. Hopefully it doesn't because I'm in this nicely on Tesla.
But I didn't realize I'm up 10% now. These contracts are starting to move a bit.
Yeah, they moved right there, guys.
I'm selling here half here below
What
50
the
cents.
fuck is that, bro?
There we go.
NQ just broke right there as well.
Look at the wicks. I don't have that on Mumu, so it's nice. Guys, target's about
Wow.
to hit.
Okay, I sold everything there.
All right. Frankie sold everything, guys.
One more drop here.
Beautiful.
Nice. We just completed the mission on Tesla.
Told you guys, just be patient.
I sold half, George.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 50 cents to sell the rest of mine. Get a green to red here and just to make it easy.
Guys, I sold. Remember, the target was 418.30. We basically touched it there. I
Do
sold
you see
half.
that 1 minute trend, Nor?
Yep, that's what I have.
Okay.
Right, I'm out on the rest.
Waiting for one more break. I'm being greedy. There it goes. I'm out.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful.
30% for me. It says, yo, did it not just sell? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo, it hasn't sold.
Sheesh, bro. 9 a contract.
Now I sold. Fucking annoying. Alright, cool. Alright,
Did you actually get filled? Like at the price where it's at? Bro.
yeah. I'm good now. It sold at $9, so I think that's where it's right there. Yeah, I sold at $9. I canceled it, that's why, Frankie.
Gotcha. Okay.
Alright,
Well,
target hit.
I'm gonna wait for a bounce, guys. I'm not gonna look to take
Bro,
this right away.
so this is why Moomoo's fucking superior, bro. I don't have one fucking misprint on this shit.
I'm
Makes
not
it-
sure if you're looking at TOS nor this is atrocious.
Yeah, no, look at Moomoo. Look how fucking clean that
Look
is. I
at
can
mine,
read it.
bro.
I got it off.
Yo.
See that shit? Yo, guys, look at my chart. And when I say Moomoo's the best, I fucking mean it. That's why I send my link every day. I don't have to deal with the garbage.
I was always wondering why I ended up selling early, not at 418. I wanted to sell because that trend line updated there
Yeah.
for me
There's
that you guys
nothing
see
wrong
on my
with that.
chart. So I decided just to play it safe and sell into the 419 break.
When
Just
the
'cause I
market
wanted-
when the market isn't giving you follow through, people get so attached to like the previous week. For example, last week, all we had was fucking clean trades. I was making 20K a day, right? 20K, 30K, whatever the case may be. When the following week comes, everybody's too attached to what we had the previous week, so everybody wants to hold because last week all you had to do was hold. You can't get attached to that thought. So here I am. I sold into my target. My target's 1430. I probably should have sold a little bit earlier just because of what I had to deal with in NVIDIA. But I was able to at least sell half right before it and then half into that break. So that's why you can't get attached to that.
So pretty much adding with what Nora's saying, that's the reason why I decided to sell early too,
Mhm.
right? Obviously Tesla has had a lot of follow through. I'm repeating pretty much what Nora said, but for me, I don't want to mess with those 1 minute trend lines with the way Tesla has drawbacks. So I decided to, you know what, these are good profits for me, good target, so I'm gonna just sell here.
Nah, bro. TOS makes this shit look crazy. Fucking,
Bro,
I love
do
moving,
you have
bro.
TOS pulled up on the side? It's
I had
still doing it, bro.
I had it set up, and then once I saw that Moomoo wasn't doing that, I was like, oh shit, fuck am I on this for? I actually was supposed to switch to Moomoo anyways.
Oh, George just sent it. Yeah, bro. That originally when we got in, I was kind of sketched out because I couldn't read the chart. I knew where my stop loss roughly was, but just because of those wicks, it makes my life 10 times harder.
Yo, what the fuck does that mean, Kunal? I like Nora's hair pick. Oh shit, looking like Nora's hair pick. Wow. Okay. Kunal, at least I have hair, buddy.
Oh,
Yikes.
man. Oh, come on.
Got him.
Haven't you ever heard of respect your elderly?
First gray. I've had my first gray for years now. You catch that, E?
All right, boys, ladies and gents. You gonna do a quick Q&A? You got anything else?
We could do a quick Q&A, and then obviously if we find anything, then you're probably just gonna dip. So we'll do a Q&A until they're ready.
All right.
Guys, any questions?
I am interested at 415, Nor.
Yeah,
by
me
the way,
too. Obviously.
if we come back, so.
Someone said eighth wick. Though, bro, those wicks aren't even real, so forget about them.
This seems to be a TOS issue because
Yeah.
it's been going on
Moomoo's
NVIDIA,
perfectly fine.
Tesla.
Trading view as well.
Trading
Oh,
view
Oh,
as
you doing it
well.
on TradingView as well?
I didn't
Yo,
know
look at
that.
Shout out to
Look at my
Moomoo,
spy
bro.
chart.
Send it.
Look at spy right now.
And the algo's coming in probably in the next week or so. I'm
Oh,
excited.
the update part that Maki added?
No.
No.
Well, we're just adding Stock Hours algo is gonna be added to Moomoo.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. I didn't know it was going to be next week.
Fuck Trading View.
That's crazy, bro. Anyways, all right. What's up? You got anything close, Maki?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right, ladies and gents, come on.
Any questions,
We ending
guys?
the year. We're ending the year next week, or this week, full last week, kinda.
Yeah.
Y'all ain't got no questions.
That's crazy.
Yo, the video, I'm trying to go back and trying to understand if I could have done anything better there. I really don't think so, bro. It's just,
I think
just
That
unfortunate.
pullback was too steep.
I think it was just
No?
unfortunate for NVIDIA for me. I probably should have sold some into 137, but even then I would have held the rest and then hit my stop the first time. And the second time, just unfortunate that the market was coming down.
Yo, NVIDIA's even worse.
No, yeah, I was about to. Yeah, that's exactly what I was about to
Nor,
say.
Look at
Frank.
NVIDIA, bro.
Bro, I
Yeah,
see it.
George.
Look at the little when you put the crosshairs right there. It's like perfectly aligned.
Oh, bro, what's going on over at the stock exchange?
That's called art, man. Beautiful.
George, you think we could have done something better on the video, or it was just? What do you think?
No, no, no. I don't think so.
I just think it was unfortunate, personally.
I think I mean, it was right at the 1 minute trend, 15 more cents to make it worth our while, even on the second trade.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, nah.
Abdel, that's actually hilarious.
Like I said, I was up 10% on on your initial signal Nor.
Yeah.
Granted, I got in a little bit earlier when I heard your thing too, because you and I were looking at the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we were up like what, 10 to 15%, because Benji was up 14.
Yeah, I was up about
So-
15 total.
Yeah, so I'm not sure if that's worth enough to start scaling out, because the target was until 438.
Yeah, it was just the setup was so good looking that it didn't make sense to sell there. And it just,
Exactly.
nothing gave us red flags. It just happened too fast for that red candle. So when the red candle happened, it was just no choice but to sell. I just have to make that decision.
Yeah.
It is what it is, but I tried. Like I said, it sets us up for a big play on the video. Like those types of plays, if you give that to me on like a Thursday, I can catch 40% on that and fucking dominate that trade. But right now, it is what it is.
And make well over the loss that we had taken. on.
Yeah, yeah. And last
So-
week it was like nasty back to back to back. So I'm just happy that I decided to cut losses rather than just give it another shot and then another shot and another shot. So Willie, I mean obviously I'm not happy knowing that I could have sold for profit, but like could I have done anything or read it better? Not really, no. There's nothing I could do in that situation, bro. But obviously, hindsight right now, if I look back, yeah, I definitely would have loved to sell. I would have been up maybe 6, 7, 8K. Actually, maybe a little bit more. Instead, I sold for a loss, so.
I don't know what percent it was either on that entire pullback to 136. I don't know if that's something you could have held, because I know you like holding a little bit longer
Nah.
on your own.
It's just not necessary, bro.
Yeah. For a Monday, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, definitely any day during the week, but like even regardless, I'm happy about it. Took the L, walked away, caught Tesla. It's all right.
Somebody's asking on half days, are you playing in the money?
Well, let's say you're playing Spy with Maki. Yeah, he would be playing in the money. But for us, our contracts still expire Friday technically. So it doesn't really change much for us. But regardless, we're not going far out the money. For example, like in the video, we played the 138 calls, which was like $1 away. Tesla, on the other hand, we have to go that far. Not have to, but the stock range is steep enough where we can make out the money contracts pretty much look like it's at the money. It dropped down to 415. Someone said Apple upside.
Imagine these misprints happen for the rest of the day.
Yeah. I've also contacted everybody for Dallas, or mostly everybody. So if you got a text for me, then make sure you FaceTime me.
I was gonna say, I'm gonna mention this. There's a lot of slow people in the chat. Guys, in the message that Nor sends, he literally says you can FaceTime him
Yeah.
or call him. Obviously FaceTime because you can actually see it's him, but guys, just read
Dak,
the
don't
message.
start, bro. You're not about to get me on an hour FaceTime. We're not asking random questions, bro. What are the questions that your dad has?
If you guys are wondering where the sign up is, it's pinned to the general announcements too.
If you
So
were
look at
on
the-
previous boot camps that you'd like to come for free, then you can message me on Instagram. Don't fill out the sheet. I have to give you individual permission because of what I had to deal with last time.
I've told some people to message you on Discord because that's the most direct contact to you.
Okay. I mean, bro, I haven't checked Discord in years, I think.
Yeah, I know but I still feel like it's the most direct contact because it's Instagram messages. I have to tell them, oh, yo, it's me, by the way. Yada yada yada.
Yada yada yada.
What white people say. I picked up on it.
If I said you're valid, you still have to DM me on Instagram just so I could give you more information about it and how it's gonna work.
Bet, Matt.
If you,
Bet.
that's for previous people who came. For the people who's never been to a boot camp, you have to just fill out that sheet in Dallas, which is gonna be fun.
Hey, that last flyer they made that was sick, bro.
Oh,
The
the most recent one?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
he cooked.
I like it simple, bro. The other one was there was too much going on there, and people don't know how to read, so let alone put more words on there. It's kind of crazy.
That's why I said what I said.
Yeah. As soon as I saw, I knew it was over for the chat. Imagine them.
Catering. Nah.
Trade like Nor, you could use Trade like Nor and just make sure it's my actual account. He's on his worst month. Looking back at my journal, I noticed I've been stopping out on the pullback a lot. My sizing isn't really an issue, but the consistent red days kind of bother me. Could you give me some feedback? Even last week you were red? What we
What happened
can we
last
get
week?
Willie on the mic? Willie, you want to hop on the mic so we can have like a conversation rather than like talk? Yo, can we get Willie on the mic?
Yeah, I always have to remember how to do it. Hold up.
Until we get any other plays here. Last week was like crazy.
Where's the invite to speak button?
He's already on.
He's already on.
Oh,
Just gotta
alright,
unmute.
my bad. Alright.
Unmute Willie.
Say something, Will.
He may not be able to because he doesn't have permissions or something.
It's not
This
letting
is the way
him
the stage is
speak.
set up. He just
Uh,
server muted.
should, I just,
He probably has push to talk or something.
should I just give him or see if I could give him like the trader permission for a sec?
Nah, hold on. Let me see.
Oh, I can server mute? I didn't know I could server mute.
You guys are managers, bro. You could do whatever. You could kick
Does it
me.
work?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, sorry, it was my end.
Okay.
Man, you sound like Kevin.
Yeah.
That's what I thought
Oh.
too.
Kevin. I mean
Um,
Willie.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up? So talk to me. What do you think is going on with your trading? What's happening?
So last month I actually had like my best month, so I decided to size up
Okay.
for December, and I feel like my position size isn't really affecting me that much.
Mm-hmm.
But since I sized up, I could only take a certain amount of trades. So right now I'm going in like 2K position sizes,
Okay.
and my count is like around 3.5.
Okay.
And I think that initially, in the beginning of the month, I saw a lot of like good setups in my opinion. So I think in the beginning I was chasing the bigger plays like Tesla
Okay.
when it was like rallying this month.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking for bigger targets. Notice last month when I was checking my journal, I did really well in scalping and taking like the quick tricks like the Frankie style. But
You know what's
because I
crazy
had
though?
so much
I'm looking at your calendar. Let's say first week of December, you only lost $48. So
Yeah.
your next week was $11 negative. Last week was 91, which I'm very surprised because last week was insane. We'll talk about that more. And then this week doesn't count because we just started. But you have your stop. There's nothing wrong with what's going on because your stop losses are damn near perfect because you're finishing the week. I would say break even. No.
correct, yeah.
Okay, so like one thing we can confidently say is we're not draining the account, right?
Yes, yes.
which is a savior. So if you're having a struggling month like that, right, where it's just break even, even with last week everybody doing some crazy numbers every day, Don't look at that and be, disappointed in yourself. If anything, you're actually doing something that a lot of people can't, and that's holding your composure. Because you're having break-even weeks, you might slip up and say, hey, fuck that. This week I'm gonna go for it or go home type of thing. So it still is very, very good the way you're having your month right now. It's flat. What can I ask how much you made last month on a green month like that, even with the size down?
1.5.
1,500.
I'm sorry,
right?
1.3.
Okay, so even 1.3. Let's say $1,300.
Yeah.
And this month, even with you having break-even weeks, you're at 58. We're not gonna count today. 58, and then. You're at $150 for the month red.
Yeah.
So you're struggling.
I mean,
you're struggling having successful, I guess, trades this month. That's what's happening.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the money right now because overall, since I joined Stock Hours, I think I joined in May. I already doubled my account and I withdrew all my initial deposit. So right now I'm just playing with profit money.
Okay.
But right now, it's just bothering me that my win rate is so low.
It's fine.
I think I have
I understand
20-30%.
Yeah, and that's Kevin had a bunch of break-even days previously. I'm not sure if he's here, but he was talking about that.
Show you.
He would start his day off with a red trade, finish off with a green trade, or start his off with a green and then finish off with a red, but it would be break-even every day. It's mentally annoying, but it's not a bad thing. What you have to do coming into next month or for the rest of the week into next month is figure out where the slip-ups are coming from. And it's not really slip-ups. You're not really having anything wrong. It's how can you make sure you continue to hold here, break even, or push off of this. 1 second. Because right now, I really can't even tell you you're doing anything wrong. This is break even. You're just struggling to take advantage of these green trades. Last week, what do you think your biggest struggle? Because last week was nuts, no?
Yeah, I was comparing myself to everyone last week, so I think I was just I was stopping out quick. I think the trades I was taking, I always sell or I stop out on the pullbacks, and then I wasn't able to take another trade, because I'm going a little heavier, so I wasn't able to afford it. So when the green trades do come, I wasn't able to take it.
Okay. Any advice from you guys, Kevin? Maybe.
I was telling him last night the biggest thing, because this kind of goes with Kevin, is focusing on more quality setups.
Yeah.
Willie brought it up again because he originally brought it up to the lesson last night. That's what I told him to focus on more, because that's what I did at the beginning. As soon as I started focusing more on the quality setups and less on even if Nor's signaling, I'll repeat it again, you guys don't have to take the signal. If it's a setup you guys aren't comfortable with, you don't have to take it. And I did that a lot back then, right? I still got the screen time and watched Nor how he traded those trades just so I have the information. But just because he's taking something doesn't mean that you have to take it. Take something that you're comfortable trading with. And then over time, just getting that screen time in, watching Nor's signal, watching George or me, Maki, take some sort of trade. You have that information and you're able to use that later on down the line.
Yeah. Yo, you know what's crazy? I would come as far as even saying do not change anything. I do not want to see you make a change and then it results in bigger losses. Right now, your losses are very easy to deal with. I think the trade is coming.
Yeah.
You just have to wait for your type of week to come. Like I said, some weeks are weeks that you would expect someone to kill it in, and then they don't do the best. And then it'll be a day where a week where I'm having the craziest week, and then some people are just struggling to see that week. So I honestly would even say do not change anything and kind of continue what you're kind of doing with the stop losses until that big trade comes, because that trade is coming,
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I could make back everything in maybe 2 or 3 trades.
Not even, bro.
It's
You can make it back in one. Not counting today, but the previous weeks. You
The only
lost
thing I
$200
will
there.
add on to that is that even though you feel like you're stagnant or you're frustrated with how things are going, don't let it get to your head, because when that big trade comes around, you can't let those emotions get in the way of that big trade.
Got you.
Maki was about to say something. Maki, you wanted to say something?
I think that was Frankie, not me.
Oh. But yeah, I honestly would go as far as saying don't change anything. Today, did you change anything? You let it go a little too
No,
far?
I No, actually, I stuck to my plan. The first NVIDIA trade I took with you, I actually had, like, I was planning to take that before you put in the trade
Okay.
idea, so I was a little confident. So I went with my full position 2K.
Okay.
Ended up stopping off for 6%,
Got it.
but I wasn't upset about that. But I was kind of upset on my second trade where I didn't have enough buying power, so I only went in with 1K.
Mhm.
But the thing is, with this trade, I don't know why, but I stopped out 11%. Like it was past my stop loss, even though like I sold at the same time. I think I sold when Frankie said he got out.
Got it.
So maybe it was like an issue with my entry. Not sure.
Yeah, I mean, bro, I really don't see an issue yet. Like, there's no issue. Yes, it looks crazy on your calendar where it's red, 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 red. But you made 1.3 last month, and now you're down like 150, not including today. So it's nothing, you know.
Yeah.
That's it, bro. That's discipline. I'm 96% of this chat can't do what you just did this month and deal with that.
Yeah,
I
thank
would
you.
go that far
I
and
just
say
have
that.
I just have a question. What do you think about my position size? Because I remember when I first started,
Mm-hmm.
your rule, or I remember asking you, and you said you suggest using 30% of your account. So if I have a 3K account,
Yes.
I was using 1K positions, right?
Okay.
But since I was a lot more consistent last week, I felt more confident in increasing my sizing. That's why I was able to go. Last month, I went from 1.5 position size, and now I'm at 2K.
Okay.
But the problem with that is, since I'm using 2K sizes, I'm not able to capitalize on a lot of trades that might come. I can only take maybe one or two trades compared to last month. I could take 3 trades.
Yep. Got it.
That's a given, really. Like, you
Yeah.
can't go around that because your account's small. You just have to be very
Yeah.
selective. That's the
Yeah.
way to go about it.
Okay.
So it wouldn't make sense for you to drop your size and take multiple trades. You're just spreading the risk into different stocks or different setups.
Yeah.
Okay,
Abdel
so I
just
should keep my size.
Maki.
Yeah, in my opinion, yeah. Like, how long have you been trading for, really?
Okay, so I think I started like messing around in January, but I joined Stock Hours in May, and then when I joined Stock Hours, that's when I started like being consistent. Like I haven't missed a day.
All right, so we'll say like 6 months seriously, right? And then 1 year in general.
Correct. Yeah, I was just like swinging
Alright.
and like
He also said
messing
he
around.
doubled his account and pulled out his initial initial deposit, correct?
Yeah, so last month was when I officially doubled everything.
Okay.
Um, I actually withdrew twice. So I withdrew like maybe like 3 months ago, 1.5, and that was because I needed money, like finances,
Mm-hmm.
whatever. But then last month, I actually also needed money again. So I think another factor is like my finances right now, where I'm kind of using my trading money to fund my lifestyle. So I think that might be affecting me a little bit more.
Yep.
Because I like when I see money, I'm like, okay, like I can just use my trading money and pay off my credit card. But now all the money is like double. So I started with 3K. Now I'm playing with 3K, and I withdrew
Yeah.
3K. Yeah.
No, I get it. So I just wanted to add that there are months that you need to be like you're being defensive. This month you were being defensive on, and the last month, right after your withdrawal, you were probably being aggressive.
Yep.
So if you look at the majority of the chat, they were being very aggressive with their trading because the setups were there, right? We had aggressive fall through. Tesla was crazy. Nvidia was insane. So those are you have to pick and choose the months that allow you to be aggressive on your trades, and then the second we start seeing a slow trading months, that's
Yeah.
when you start being defensive. But you turned into defensive as soon as you took that withdrawal and the market was hot.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's correct. And I felt like a lot of FOMO because like I'd stop out in Tesla and then I looked back in 30 minutes and shit went up like $30.
And it's
And
crazy
that's
looking
like
at
affecting.
it's crazy even looking at your P&L because I already know what's happening. So I know that you're seeing how much you missed out on, and you're still holding it down flat for the week, which is fucking crazy. So either way, the way Maki explained it, that was perfect. But either way, you're still doing a great job holding it down with discipline. Like I can't see anything wrong there.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
You're just gonna have to find a balance. it's easier said than done. Like I wish I could give you an exact answer and say, yo, do this, do that, do that. But right now, I don't even want to see you change anything. I just kind of want to see you stick to what you're doing and cutting and doing, you know, just staying flat for the rest of the week and then come into the new year and see how you feel there. Because
Okay.
that trade
Yeah,
is
I'll
coming.
do
Like
that.
I get it. Tesla is extremely volatile. So like it might hit like a quick candle and then come right back into it. And that's what you've been sticking to, your stop loss, is that quick candle that it comes down and you just get cut. And then it comes right back into
Yeah.
that. Not
It's
mad
been
at
happening
it.
all month. It's so annoying.
Also, you're dealing with like real life stuff. So like you're looking at it and saying, I could use this when you make money. I could use this for my credit
Yeah.
card, use this for this. So that is a hard thing. It's not
Yeah,
easy.
I think that's another factor.
Do you have another job?
I work part time. I'm a college student right now, so like that
Okay.
job doesn't really like pay that much. It's
Okay.
like minimum wage.
Got it.
I just want to add the fact you're able to juggle college on top of this. That's impressive.
Yeah.
With all that stress.
Well, I'm in pretty stressful, but I'm like in my senior year, so I'm about to graduate in a few months, so it's kind of like easy classes right now.
Yeah.
And my schedule lines up so I can able to trade in the morning and then go to school later and go to work right after.
Bro. Yeah. You do what you have to do. Like there's no excuses. But like
Mhm.
you'll get it.
Yeah, appreciate that. It's been really helpful being in stock hours. I think like grinding for the past 6 months and looking at my TradeZilla, I saw like my graph like dip a little bit in my beginning
Mm-hmm.
and then exponentially go up. So it's like I see it long term. That's why like I was able to like keep persevering even though I have these red or even weeks.
Got it. What's your major?
I'm studying public health, but actually don't want to do anything with that. I want to get in sales or like marketing because I
Alright.
think that's where the money's at.
Yeah, you got a
And then
pretty
just
easy
trade in
major.
the morning. Yeah.
Yeah, he can deal with it. Yeah, I mean, bro, like I said, there's not much we can do here other than, yeah, I mean, like you're holding it down. This is great. I want to make you an intern soon now, based on that.
Jay.
That's sick. That's real discipline right there, guys. I don't even know if it can get better than that.
I really appreciate it.
Mm-hmm. Kevin, that's like your twin right there.
Yeah, no, he sounds just like me.
It's crazy.
Can you guys both say yo like 1 second apart? Kevin, go.
Yo,
Willie?
Yo.
Yeah, bro.
You're not Asian, right, Willie?
I am. I'm Chinese.
Oh, what the fuck?
word.
Yo.
That's why.
Yo, you can speak Chinese?
I can understand it better than I speak it.
Talk to him, Kevin.
Yo, he's just like me, bro.
Kevin, go ahead.
Wait,
Oh,
Kevin, what do you speak? Mandarin or Cantonese?
Mandarin, same thing as you.
No, I speak Cantonese.
Oh, never mind. You're fake.
Oh, fake, Kevin. All right.
What is this? Yellow on yellow crime.
I'm playing.
Yo, bro, I like Kevin. Yo, Kevin, I can make you my little prodigy. Let's see how this month goes.
Kevin 2.0, you mean?
Yeah. Kevin just needs to stop being fucking emotional. We got he's like our Juice World client.
Alright, I don't know about Juice World.
I mean, Kevin, let's be real, bro. You do be a little emotional.
Oh, man.
Do you listen to Juice World?
Nah, I listen to Lil Baby ever since our talk.
Alright, good.
Nor had to make me stop listening to Juice World back
Yeah,
then.
I can't hear. I don't know why y'all be listening to that sad shit in the morning. All right, look, we got one more play possibly. I know it sounds crazy, but we'll stick around, answer more questions. Willie's still here on the mic. Tesla's grinding up here. Let's see if we can get any moves out of that. And then Maki's obviously on the mic as well.
As usual, my play takes like 2 hours to play out.
Yeah.
See, like last time you said that though, it happened like 30 minutes later. So
Tesla can actually happen a lot quicker. It just depends how we get above 428, 429 area.
market is even close to all-time high, or not all-time high. Sorry, at the high of day yet.
Willie, how stressed are you after like, let's say like a last week? Were you stressed?
No, I was chilling to be honest. I don't really have emotions when it
Okay.
comes to trading because I'm looking long term.
Yeah.
So like I look at these trades, I'm like, okay, like get out today, I can make it back like next month, you
Got
know,
it. All right, that's
or like
good.
even the next day.
Yeah, you have nothing to be stressed about. Like bro, I wish I was like putting it down a little bit. I would tell you straight up, but like there's nothing to stress about right now. Fucking down 150 for the month, and you made 1.3 last month. It looks ugly though. Don't get me wrong. It's red, but it's break even.
No,
red.
literally, like
And that looks like commission. What are you trading on?
I'm trading on Donna Thinkorswim.
Yeah, and commissions is adding to your loss. So
That is true. I need to call and lower it soon because I paid $20 in commission today, and I only bought like I don't even know how many contracts, but $20 in commission is
Are you
crazy.
in Canada too, really?
No, I'm in New York. I live in Brooklyn.
Bushwick.
Nah, Bensonhurst.
All right. I don't know if oh wait, he can use movies in fucking New York. I forgot. I was gonna say Kevin can't
I
use
was
movies.
thinking about using Moomoo for like long-term investments.
You could do that.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm actually like I want to post that later today. That chart is sick, bro. Your calendar. A lot of people would have gave up there. Not gave up, but like they would have fucking just started slipping.
Yeah, it is tough, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to give up on this. Like, I actually enjoy trading.
Oh, Brock is coming to the boot camp, I'm pretty sure. What's going on over there?
We was just talking about bagels.
Bagels. This fucking guy. I'm currently down for the day 11K.
Did you size up?
On what, NVIDIA?
Well, I guess it's just today compared to last week. It looks like you did, so that's why I'm asking.
No, I'm good. No, I'm fasting. No, I'm serious. I'm Friday maybe.
Oh, okay.
No, like I'm good. I'm fasting. My fault, Frankie. Yeah, the 22K was on NVIDIA. Yeah, I was sizing up. I kept adding to my actual position actually.
Gotcha. Okay.
Huh?
I said got you. Okay.
What'd you say, E?
Tesla trade jamming.
Tesla trade. Why?
Because I tried to get fancy and tried to add with you, right?
Uh-huh.
And I added more than my original position, and then that little wick that stopped me out, and then I was like, damn. But
Yeah.
I'm up from the video still.
Oh, so what do you kind of like break even for the day?
Yeah, but I'm green.
How much?
300.
Oh, so you came out alive on the NVIDIA.
I ain't gonna lie, I was up 800 up from the video.
Yeah, NVIDIA was clean, bro. I just didn't sell. That's weird. Yeah, so with Tesla, the ad that you had, you never want to do more than your original position. My ad on Tesla was 45. My original position was 45. So it's either the same or less. Unless you're doing like multiple points of adding points. For me, like the target was too tight for me to add more. But yeah, NVIDIA was a trade that I kind of like, I watched last night. Like I had the setup, Frankie.
Mm-hmm.
And I just decided that I wanted to take advantage, but it's just the market.
I woke up. That was the first thing I saw, and I was like, "Ooh, oh,
Yeah.
okay."
And honestly, if it wasn't for that stupid ass wick in the beginning of the day, we would have been. I would have been made like 20, 30K because I would have held until like 137 and change there. Before that drop, it hit 137.30, and I was planning on selling half. Maybe if I sold half there, I wouldn't have cut everything on the drop. I would have been able maybe to survive a hold there. That could have been like the outcome, but I'm not sure. Rami, what are you struggling with, man? Crypto got to my head and made me a degen. Crypto's been going crazy. Where is Bitcoin today? 95 or less? Or more? Slash BTC. It's at 93, it looks like, if I'm not mistaken. So, like I said, I'm down 11K for the day. My average day last week was 20K green every single day. I didn't have one red day last week, so obviously we want to start weeks off green, but it is what it is today. I don't have any open positions, right? Yep. You green for the day, Frankie?
Yeah, I actually ended up taking a meta trade on my own.
Which
Lost like
one?
150. I tried playing the low of day because it lined it up with the 585 level that Benji and Kevin.
How did that
liked.
work?
I got stopped out.
Oh, okay. It didn't work out?
No, it didn't. No.
Oh, just $150 though. The fuck?
Yeah. I'm chilling though. That Tesla trade, that's what I was really waiting on. So I'm glad we took advantage of that.
Nice, Slick Willie. What percentage are you guys using for stop loss? We use around the 10 to 12% mark.
No, I texted your other number, by the way, the new one.
Oh,
Whenever
okay.
You get,
I don't
whenever
have
you
that
can answer
phone.
those questions that I have.
Can you pass me that, Matt? The orange one? You can throw it, you can throw it. Oh, shit. What about it?
There's just 2 questions that I replied to the
Yeah.
screenshots.
Okay, so, wow, that's fucked. So the first one, yes. The first question.
Gotcha, okay.
Second question. I believe this is it. Hold on, give me a sec.
When is cutoff date for bootcamp signups? I actually do not know. It's up to Nor when he wants to cut that off. I would say probably mid-January, like the latest. That'd be my idea since it's the 2nd through the 7th.
I believe
Of
that's
February.
it, Frankie. Just match up and see if the text match.
Okay, but thank you. I'm good then. All right, we Gucci.
What would you be waiting for here, Frankie?
Tesla.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yo.
You see that?
That's the goal for next year.
You said what?
That's the goal for next year.
It'll happen. Seems like you got everything down packed now.
Yeah.
You just got one thing is just take advantage of the good trades, and then that's it. Like Tesla, you just slipped up. You're not used to adding.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
I was like different right there.
Mm-hmm. And those wicks on TOS was not helping. What were you using for the chart? Mumu?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, all right. Yeah, never mind.
Yeah, I didn't know what y'all was talking about.
All right, Tesla's starting to grind higher. It's actually stronger than the market now, so looks like we're gonna get that play. Hopefully, just gotta be patient.
What was my biggest losing day this year? I want to say at least 5,000. If not, maybe the worst day was like roughly around 4,000. I can look for you right now.
Frankie's worst start to the day was like 9,000.
Yeah, worst start. Yeah, there. What trade? What trade was that?
I don't fucking know. I don't
That
even know
was
if it was the
rec-
start. I just know you.
That was pretty recently.
Yeah, like 2 weeks ago.
Oh, I think it was. No, it wasn't Nvidia. It might have been some big Tesla level, but
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah,
started the-
yeah.
I
There's a wall there.
I think it was the 400 break actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was the 400 break on Tesla, like the original 400 break on Tesla. I started the day down around 9K. No, what was it? I sent it to the chat on how because it was gonna be my biggest trade ever, because I was projected to make at least 15 to 20K on that trade if it played out. I think I lost 6 or 7. I don't know. It's on our notes in our interns group. But I'm pretty sure it's because of Tesla. But I sized heavy on that Tesla trade. It wasn't Netflix, no. Pretty sure it was Tesla. Yeah, if I'm being honest, I think my biggest loss this year was like around like 3,800, which is actually really calm. Yeah. Looking at all the months, that was my biggest loss. I've never had it go above 4,000.
Nice, Desi. It's a good first month right there. Doing the right thing.
Oh, actually, never mind. Here it is. Yeah, 5,000 actually.
Just gotta tighten
I
up.
thought I had a 5,000 red day.
You skipped
was our-
Friday. It looks like, Desi. That's good. Dax said anything I can improve on. I can't fucking see that bullshit. Can you zoom in just to the calendar? Nice, Abdel.
No, are you still like this at 4:30, or it's gonna be based on how it gets up there?
Yeah. I have a student calling me. I'm not answering right now. It's probably gonna be the 4:40 calls.
Admin. It's literally what I always preach. It's always focusing on the quality setups. Like I showed Jordan, who went to New York boot camp. There was some other student next to us too, but I showed Jordan
Bro, we're about to
like
trade, bro.
what my year was from January to like July, and then from July till that given day in boot camp, and I showed Jordan. And Jordan saw like the instant turnaround. It was literally it's just literally focusing on good setups only. And I told you guys about that for a long time, too. It's just I knew my biggest hiccup in my trading was the intraday setups that I take all the time. So I cut back on a lot on those. Obviously, it's helped.
Frankie, I forgot to point out last week when I didn't type out signals. Today I didn't type out the put signal. I don't know if that matters.
Okay, let me write that down. I don't remember any of the ones.
Last
The
week.
off signal. Yeah.
Fuck.
So.
All right, guys. Getting the 440 calls ready. We're ahead of the market. Just started pushing too. Where's that trend? One sec. All right, we still got time. It's at 432. Looks like we broke consolidation there. Just want to see if we hold. Yep, QQ is pushing. But Tesla was holding up on the drops and it was actually just chilling at Hive Day. So I'm not too worried as far as are we behind or ahead or anything like that. I can deal with that. The 15-minute adjusted a little bit, not adjusted, but it's now lying at 432.23. It was a little bit higher in the morning. Oh, Amazon broke 225.50, guys. That's the, I'll send it to you guys. Remember I said some screen time? I wasn't paying attention though, sorry. I'll send you guys a screenshot. What's hugging the 1 hour trend? Oh, Tesla, yeah. 430's above, though. We missed Amazon. I wasn't going to trade it regardless, just wanted to watch. The safest increases on your position sizes should be 10% if you want to take it nice and slow. That means from $2,000 to $2,200. It's not about how many contracts, about dollar amount. Look at this big pullback in the market. Look at Amazon. Wow.
Yo, I was muted when I said this. No, I might just look to scalp 430.
Yeah, that's what I
Me
was planning to
personally.
do.
Oh, okay, I didn't know if you were looking to hold it into 432 with that trend.
Damn, Amazon was sick. I would have scalped that. But the most increase you should do on your position sizes is like 15. 20's pushing it. Because you have to remember, like, when you get up there, like to 20K positions, 10% is 2K and then 20% is 4K. So it's like you have to prepare, like, at early stages to increase by 10% rather than 20 or whatever percentages you guys have been increasing by. Tesla holding up against the market. So I think we're okay watching this right now. You're looking at the 440 calls with me, Frankie, or 450s?
450s.
Really?
Yeah. I'm just looking for the scalp. I'm not looking to hold this or anything. It's Monday. I think I can afford just to play these and just scalp them.
No, for sure, but I might end up making this a full trade. I'm not sure yet.
If it was still early in the morning, I would play the 440s and maybe look for that 432, 433 break, but I'm gonna just keep things simple.
Dak, I have to look at your chart and get to see it. I know you zoomed in, but I'll be back at it in a second. Guys, I'm going to stick to the 440 calls, personally. 450s are more than fine on a Monday, even though we have one less day this week. But I'm going to stick to the 440s just because I might end up holding. If you're looking for the quick scalp with Frankie, nothing wrong with that. Secure your profits on the break, then that's what you're going to do. Patience here, guys. Do not pull the trigger too early. Just in case market pulls back here. We're at a 1 minute trend on SPY. I don't know if Maki's looking at the market either. Right below 430, I'm looking to enter. Just want to see what happens here. Tesla doing its own thing. But does it pull back with the market here? If it pulls back. Are 445 calls okay? Yeah, they're okay. It's about to happen. I'm in.
Just broke.
Yeah, just happened. Right there.
I'm gonna keep a super tight stop on this in case it decides to close back below.
Market's breaking out at the same time, guys. Never the
Yeah.
best outcome.
Ask is getting stuck right now.
I got filled at 720 a contract, guys.
Oh, there it goes. 50 cents on the ask. I'm gonna look to sell here soon myself, Norm.
Yeah, you guys do what you guys want. This is a good trade. You guys wanted to scalp, you can scalp.
Just waiting for this 50-cent level to break.
It
First,
just,
and then I'll
it
look.
just touched, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's just touching on the ask right now.
It broke.
On level 2, it hasn't gone above yet.
The biggest struggle is going to be 431, just depending on the market, of course. I actually don't like that the market pushed while we were in that trade. It gave Tesla a boost. Broke.
There we go. Yeah. Got above for a second.
The
I'm
bid
just still
didn't.
on-
The
Yeah,
bid is
I
actually
just pulled it
struggling,
there.
guys. The market is pushing, sadly. Makes this trade a lot harder. Someone said 450s aren't moving.
Yeah, they're slightly getting stuck. That's why I decided to sell.
Yeah, but you have to remember this isn't a move for Tesla. Tesla's been moving like $5 at a time. So same thing goes for the downside. If it pulls back, it's not going to move much. So it works both ways when the contracts are moving. Red to green here. Market's actually pulling back. Tesla held up. I ended up adding to my trade, which is not a signal. I'm just letting you guys know if you heard a fill, that's because I added. Just broke 431. Now it's all in your hands, guys. If you like the trade and you want to continue to stick with it, stick with it. If not, this is your time to get a sell here. Look at this. Wow.
Sheesh. There it goes.
Beautiful trade, guys. Up 5K on this. Remember, it's Monday. If you're trying to get paid like we did last week, you're not going to get paid like that. We also have the 30. Where's the trend?
Right at 432.
Yeah,
like
so
exactly.
guys, we have the trend right at 432. I made the mistake earlier of holding too long on that Nvidia trade. I'm still gonna try to hold through this, but
I'll send an update. It's right here.
I'm letting you guys know it could get rejected quickly here.
I just sent the chart for it, Nor, in case you just needed to.
And we just rejected. You caught that, E?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm back at 800.
Nice, buddy. Knowing my luck, this is going to just have a big red candle here because I wanted to be a little bit greedy and hold into that trend. I just don't respect these 15-minute trends.
That trend looks beautiful though.
Maki's like, you can't ignore a very good-looking trend like that.
It's art, bro.
Art. Nah, it is really nice because there's 3 points at least on there, so it makes it a valid trend even if it's on pre-market. All right, target hit 432. You're welcome.
Oh, these contracts are starting to move now.
Yeah, it takes a little time when the stock has high IV like that to get paid on those.
Yeah. I'm watching
It's
these.
10 candles in a row since he signaled.
Yes, sir. It's called Sniper.
It's called the Noor effect.
The Noor effect. CoffeeZilla be like, Noor made Tesla go up. This is what he does every day.
It's crazy how real that is too, bro.
No, he's
can't
dead
fathom
ass
that.
too when he says that dumb shit.
A high day.
All right, guys, I'm going to sell half here soon on the 50 break, most likely, depending on what happens here. 50 broke. Wow. Should I fucking get greedy or?
I think you can. I mean, we could probably use
10
432 as a take profit, right? Just like as a.
What'd you say, Maki?
I said 10 cents.
All right, here we
Sorry.
go. 433. I'm up 10 bandos. I'm getting fucking greedy.
And bandos.
My dumbass would wait for 433. Let me know if it breaks.
Maki, can you let him know I'm doing a spreadsheet?
It
right
didn't, not yet.
Do we have a wall there or something? We just rejected twice.
broke, it broke.
It's like 16,000,
Oh.
so it's really light for Tesla.
It broke. Alright, guys, that's sold half. Beautiful fucking trade from Noor fucking Trades. Gonna sell the rest here, guys. Just waiting for another push, possibly. If not, I'll have a trailing stop. No worries. By the way, it's $100 a contract. Since I signaled, it's 820. Maki, I'm wrong if I sell the other half soon?
No, I mean, this is like 10 candles in a row.
Yeah, you're right. I'll catch it again if I have to. Pull back. You caught that, Matt? Yeah. Nice, buddy. Very proud of you. Jeez Louise, guys. Jeez Louise. How was that trade? You guys like that? Fuck Nvidia.
Pause.
What? Said you guys like that. Beautiful day, bro. What the fuck? We killed it. Like I said, I told you guys I was gonna plan on holding it a little bit, and that's why I played the 440s. Yo, what the fuck is this, Maki? You finessed me?
Yeah.
You made me sell to you, huh?
No.
Nah. You made me. You finessed me there.
It has nothing to do with me.
You said sell, and then basically you bought my contract so you could add more to your position.
I never said sell, yo. Run it back. Run
You
the
said-
clip back.
You said, how can we pipe Nor here?
Run the clip back. I never said sell. After that incident last year, I've never ever
Yeah, that was a stressful
ever
day.
tried.
Yo, people don't know. A lot of people probably don't know about that.
Only the OGs know.
Yeah.
Bro, that was one candle. It was the homeless candle.
Bro, Maki said literally don't sell, you're fine. 5 seconds later, the nastiest pullback I've
Yo,
ever
bro,
seen.
and it was same day contracts. It was so crazy.
Was it SPY or SPX?
It was one of them.
SPX, right?
Probably. It didn't matter
Oh,
at the
that's
Fine,
time.
it moved like an FOMC too.
You guys don't understand. Maki literally told Nora, yo, don't sell, you're good. And like not like 10 seconds later, like a whole dollar pullback.
Yeah, I was the only one in anyway,
Why?
so it didn't matter. But
That was
It was-
funny.
what's the high from pre-market on Tesla? 434, or is it higher?
25 cents
Oh,
or
okay.
30 cents.
Maybe we can play 435 possibly. You made some money on that, Frankie?
Yeah, 200.
Nice.
Yeah,
It was worth it.
for the scalp, yeah. I went in with 10 contracts.
Oh yeah,
so,
yeah. You sold quick. I forgot.
Yeah. If I didn't sell, if I like held the entire time with you, I would have made, what was my fill? Like 700 with those 10
Be
contracts.
safe.
Oh, that shit tomorrow, my boy.
Peace.
It's half a day tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow's a half day. Yeah.
Christmas Eve.
I actually never closed stream today, so people are probably like, "Yo, what the fuck? He's still streaming." Is United coming to Dallas? Yeah, he is.
Oh, yeah.
Going to work? Come on, brother. Be safe.
See you tomorrow, tomorrow.
Peace. What time is it? Oh man.
11:15.
Today's back day. Don't want to do it.
Don't go outside, period.
It's that cold?
Bro. It's freaking 15 degrees.
I'm a cold person.
You got no heart, nigga. That's why.
Yeah.
Heart is. Salam Anur Alain.
Peace. Yeah, my birthday's on Christmas. That makes me what, Arab Santa Claus? Alright. Peace out, bro. What's the market up to? Nothing yet for you, Maki?
I'm looking at QQQ calls.
Okay.
There'll be a pullback entry. Is
New
Tesla
high.
still going?
Yeah, new high. Fucking doing what it does every day. Yo, Frankie, we really only stick around if we see that. Like we know, you know the type of plays I like now, so you stick around for them.
Yeah.
You see what I see now, right?
I've been getting better. Yeah, I've been getting better at reading them.
Yeah, that's
was telling-
crazy.
I was telling the chat about it last night.
That's sick. You
when
actually
I-
can see. Like it just takes time. It's like intuition mixed with previous times you've played the same trade over and over again.
Or like if Tesla has an aggressive, like I think the one I really liked that I was able to read was when Wednesday we were in that call when Tesla was selling off,
Yeah.
and I knew what you said that you were looking to the upside in case it came up, and I knew what level you were looking at.
Yep. That's sick.
They asked me
I'm
last
still
night
learning,
what
How
what
much am
way
I
am
on?
I pushing
13?
myself in trading right now, and it's kind of like reading what your
60.
setups are and like trying to get out of my comfort zone and reading those setups a lot better.
That's dope.
All right.
You're,
Contracts I'm looking at are
sorry.
the 520 calls. Next days. Setup risk is about $35 a contract. And it needs to come below 519 for me to pull the trigger.
Gotta relax, Maki. I don't want to see any pullbacks right now, brother.
Oh, my bad.
Nah, I'm fucking with you.
Now, hopefully you get the target first.
No, my target's been hit. I just happen to still hold my position. I have a trailing stop, so can't lose on this trade. Up 13,000 on it still. I haven't sold everything yet. I'm gonna sell soon. I'm green for the day though, so that's all that matters. Frank, what the hell are you talking about?
I didn't mean to do caps.
Oh, well, you talking about my Tesla trade?
Yeah.
Oh,
That
yeah.
you're green on the day now.
Barely, like 3K.
Still
I mean, I was down 20.
coming back from that. Yeah.
Do you think the chat's still holding Tesla?
I'm sure there's one person that still is.
It's the greedy. You guys are greedy, bro. Just because Nor's holding doesn't mean shit, guys. I'm just going for a bigger trade. I don't have any other trends. Oh, right under 440. It's 439.39. I'm not holding that long. Hell no. Really, I just want to see if I could get a 435 break. If I can, I can. If I can't, I'm gonna hit my trailing stop, guys. These are almost $9 a contract. Wow. All right, if we make a new high and we pull back, I'm gonna just cut it. I want to see a new high go straight through. Let's see if we can get that to happen. Nope. Frankie, I want to understand your thoughts. If you were still in with me, where would you be? Where would you have your trailing stop now? Realistically.
Let me pull up the chart. Around 433.
All right, that's good.
Or maybe even the low from 1117, which is like 432.90, 432.80.
Got it. I didn't get W's in the chat today. We've been working hard since the morning. It's all right. You played it, Matt?
Yeah, so
Yeah. Would you end up selling it with Frankie or after?
nah after.
Oh, okay.
Sold at $5 a contract.
Maki, where do you want QQQ to pull back at? Like 519 area?
Yeah, 519.
Yeah, that's gonna make me stop out for sure. Should probably get out now.
I don't know if it's gonna happen though. I mean, this thing is just, it's always been doing this. Like getting 20 cents close and then,
I remember last week you said that, and then you did an earlier entry because of how it's been moving,
yeah.
and then it worked out in your favor because it never got to that
Mhm.
point, so you would have been sitting there watching the whole time.
The same setup for Tesla would be at 430, 430.80 if I want to play Tesla.
Like a
calls.
bounce play?
Yeah. Looks beautiful.
I've been thinking about it, but the problem is like the wicks, you know, it could go through, like right through, and drop by $1 or $2, but that's like normal for Tesla, and it'll come right back up, you know,
Yeah.
just because the volatility. Any other plays we have here? We have Maki's play coming. Yo, Nvidia's kind of sneaking there, Frankie, without us looking. And then we have Tesla like 435, 436 possibly.
I knew you would bring that up.
I'm not saying we're gonna play. I'm just saying it's like sneaking, being
Yeah.
sneaky right now.
At this point, I'm done though. No more from me. I'm just watching.
You're green for the day.
Yeah.
Nice.
Green 1500.
I signaled Tesla right below 430, right? It just went straight up after that.
It actually just did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was
It-
like perfect.
It took its time, but
Yeah.
it was just kept grinding up.
Our original entry in the morning, we were looking at 432, right?
433, I think.
Yeah, I'm happy we.
But even then, you were still thinking of 430 though.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess I'll wait with Maki. Oh, Amazon still came back up after that drop. That's interesting. Nice biscuits. When you guys don't have your name, it's mad annoying. How the fuck do I apply? that name to you.
Biscuit is Lalo.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, he was. At the New
Oh,
York
it's in
camp.
parentheses. That's my fault. Mr. Lalo. Lalo's been around for a long time.
Yeah.
Man, you gotta be kidding me, man.
I was just about to say something. Yo,
What is this?
look at
bro?
this candle too, bro. It's trying to be aggressive here for no reason. No news, right? SPY is being aggressive. That's what it is.
Is Lalo Vasquez?
I'm not
That's
sure.
Tesla's bouncing off that level I was talking about.
Mm-hmm. Just it's getting affected by the market too much here, though. When we were in that shit went straight up. After, what was it, the level? After 430, it broke, went straight up, but, like, it started getting aggressive where, like, nah, not even. It actually just stayed consistent. The tape did feel like it sped up, though. What are you holding, Spirit? Tesla. You never want to let your position go red, though. Being up that much. Did you sell anything? No. Frankie needs a talking to, bro.
What happened?
He didn't sell a piece of Tesla at all, and he's still holding.
This guy talking right now?
Yeah. He needs a talking to. You don't want a talking to from Maki. I'd rather you have a talking to with Frankie. Maki might break the screen.
Yeah, I'm about to. While waiting for QQQ, I'm gonna buy the Dallas ticket.
Are you actually, bro?
Yep.
I'm tired of not seeing you. What's the market up to? Pulling back. Still valid if it comes back to 519, or would you pass on it now?
Yeah, it's still valid. It's still valid. Right now, it's 519.40.
Got it. You're doing what, next day contracts?
Yeah, next day contracts. The risk is $30 a contract.
Got it.
Again, guys, it's 520 calls, next day expiration on QQQ. 10 more cents. Come
Don't say it out loud. They're listening.
on.
The market is listening, sir. Everything just got killed.
Yeah. 5 more cents, and then I'll take the QQQ calls. Okay, I'm in. QQQ calls. Next day expiration. Risk is $30 a contract. Target is somewhere close to that local high.
Zach, it'll probably. Zach. Wait, is Zach coming to the boot camp?
Okay, get ready, guys. The target is about to hit.
It already bounced?
Yeah.
Wow.
We just need like one more candle.
Nice.
I'll sell the majority of my contracts and leave some. So I have an alert at 519.80. That's where I'm trying to sell the majority of them. Okay, if it wants to do any funny business and it drops, my stop is gonna be 518.75.
Teslito dropping. Mm, 420, 30.
We're seeing signs that it wants to build a support here. Just don't know how aggressive it'll be. So right now, all I'm reading or looking for is signs that tell me to hold past my target. The
Jeff,
next actual resistance is above 520.
sorry. Jeff, I'm not. You gotta text me now so I can see the text between us. Is that you? Okay, I'll get to that today. Don't worry.
My target is about to hit, guys. I'm looking to sell the majority of my contracts once the alert triggers.
Nice, Maki.
So I'm selling majority. Sold majority of my contracts.
Very nice, Maki. That's the Maki effect right there. We catching the downside on this, Frankie?
Huh?
The downside?
On what?
Tesla. We're only what, $12 away?
Yeah, I got you.
Fuck
Yeah.
with you.
Yeah, we'll stay around, bro.
Just a couple more hours, bro.
Bro's trying to work the 8-hour shift today.
No, it's Monday. But I did get a couple hours in today just because I know the rest of the week. We got Wednesday off. What is it? Tuesday half day, which is tomorrow.
Did you see what we're doing on free day?
Yeah,
decided
moving it to
both.
Thursday.
Yeah.
That's fair. They should be happy.
They should be. We could have given them Tuesday.
Yo. Their dumbasses would hold their contracts past 1 p.m., bro. Would you play Tesla 435 though?
No, I'm I'm
No, I'm
entirely
just
done.
asking. You're done.
Done, yeah. I'm
Alright.
just watching.
Someone said,
you walk away from the mic, I'm walking away from the mic.
I mean, yeah, just close your charts if anything, stay on the mic. But yo, someone said change the day to Saturday. We could do that and just, I feel like that's just giving them too much now because that's the charting day. That's better than the trading day.
I mean, all honestly, we could have just kept it Wednesday. Not a single change, and they get nothing.
Yeah.
Caesar, actually, screw you, Caesar.
Yo. Imagine them on the Sunday lesson. Oh my god.
He's saying that because I teach both Saturday and Sunday.
Yo.
Here we go.
What's your target, like biggest target? Not saying you're holding there. Where do you see it?
So I'm playing QQQ, but I'm watching SPY's open price because obviously that's the most annoying thing.
Okay. Which is damn
We're
near,
right-
right?
we're like-
591.
Exactly. Yeah. It's like 598.90. So I just want to see that break and then I'll sell the rest.
So SPY 590.90, right? That's the opening price on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I just looked at it real quick.
Usually they break aggressive, but they don't hold above. So I want to take advantage.
Tesla's back above 430, 250, heading for 433, but the market's also kind of like pushing. Tesla's ahead though. That bounce area was perfect, Maki. It slipped below for a second, but that was it.
Exactly what you said, right? Because
Yeah.
the volatility.
Market's pulling back. Nvidia still stuck in the same area. Yo, I might add if we get up there.
Yeah.
If we get up there. Huh?
The 435, right?
Yeah. Depends.
Just update.
Yeah. Or I might hit my stop. Either way.
Like it's taking so long.
So either way, we're safe. Like, didn't even go red on the position.
Really good sell at the top.
Yeah. That shit went up, but like to like $9 though. I sold at 815.
Break, SPY, break.
When you left this morning, I was down like 20.
I peeped. I was listening,
Yeah.
but I literally ran to the gym.
I know.
Ran straight to the bathroom and came back. I had to stop out of the video. I was down like 1300.
$0.02 away. This could be explosive.
Do you care about that trend on the 1 minute?
Where is it?
For QQQ, it's at 520.83, which is obviously far away. And then there's nothing on SPY I see on the 1 minute. I can switch
Different.
through charts and see if I can find anything, but I don't think so.
Did you sell?
What?
Or were
Tesla?
you focused on Tesla? You didn't trade.
No, I didn't
Yeah.
trade QQQ.
Oh, you were focused on Tesla. All right,
Yeah.
guys, I'm selling some more here. I sold some more at 23%.
Nice.
I knew this thing will be explosive. I don't think it will hold above, so I'm taking advantage.
Maki just violated. Nice.
Yo, we sniped the bounce.
Yup. They almost left without you, and then they came back and said, Maki, get on the train, and then you got on the train. That's exactly what happened. Damn, NVIDIA.
All right, guys, I'm selling the rest.
That's debatable.
I sold the rest. Don't want to get greedy. All right, how everyone do on that?
W's,
Almost got
W's,
greedy there.
W's. Give Maki the W's in the chat. He wants to see. Show him the W's. Yo, Maki, can you take a look after you're done at NVIDIA?
Yeah, I'm watching it right
I
now.
took an L on that earlier, just debating if I should even think about that today. Or should I just leave it for the rest of the week? I don't want
Like
to be
the
biased
retest?
on it. I just feel like I have better opportunities tomorrow morning, possibly off the open, like a push.
I think 138 is valid because the supply starts there. It will probably be explosive there. I don't know if it will hold above, but it will
The
definitely. be
trend
low.
line's up there too.
I think the level's fine, Nor. It's just look at the market.
No, I
See what
know, I
with
know.
it.
But let's say it gets up there without it. I just want to prepare. Maki, the
If it-
trend is right here on QQQ, by the way.
Damn, I should have just. Why didn't I not get?
It's
Greedy,
it's
bro?
more of a flat top, if anything, not really a trend. Looks like it's trying to break out. Yeah, Frankie, I know, I see it right now. It's just pushing.
If it was ahead of NQ, I would say it looks good, but
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, the retest at 50 cents wouldn't have been bad too. If you've seen that with the algo.
And Tesla came all the way back up. 434.10 or 15 was the high, I believe. Oh, 434.20 it says on Momo. There's no buying power issues right there. I gotta like pay attention. Let me check.
Nah, I checked this morning.
No, I'm saying like, should I be watching this remaining days? Oh, okay, we're fine. Just got an alert. Oh, NVIDIA. Of course. I think I'm gonna skip, guys. Just watching, I guess. It is what it is.
If Nvidia rejects here, I'm gonna play 138.
Okay. The market just pulled back hard there. Let's see what holds up, what doesn't. If Tesla ends up holding up here and gets above 433.50, I most likely will play that into 435 because it looks strong here, even with that pullback. It just looks like another day. And Frankie, I know you closed everything, but maybe some screen time wouldn't hurt.
No, yeah. When I say I closed everything, I'm not executing.
Yeah,
I
so
still
you
have
close
TOS
IB.
open. Yeah, so I don't take anything dumb. Not dumb, but I don't convince myself to keep trading.
This is how my Nvidia looks.
Nice. Tesla broke.
Damn, the market is way stronger though. SPY just broke high today. Aggressively.
I got piped on that fill for Tesla. You heard it fill late.
I wasn't looking at the chart, but
Yeah.
160. Yeah. That was the peak.
Alright guys, Nvidia is lagging behind, so I changed my mind.
Passing on it.
Yeah.
All right.
SPY just went red to green. Nvidia barely flinched.
QQQ is pulling back or tried to pull back there. Well, market is flying, bro. You got to be careful what you play here, guys. If something's lagging, it'll get hurt.
Okay, this is when I know for sure if Nvidia is gonna be a player or not.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's the 9-hour shift today, 8-hour shift. Oh, market's pulling back.
Nice, man.
Let's see what holds up, what doesn't. I plan on signaling one trade to you guys here. Maki might signal Nvidia, possibly, or he'll at least talk about it. Tesla at 435, I'm going to try to signal that. I have a $1.50 room for a scalp play on that. So we'll see how I can get that play for you guys, depending on how we come up. I'm still streaming. I'm going to get off stream. Peace out, guys. See y'all tomorrow.